In this video, we are going to review Supabase versus Airtable. Which one is better? Now without further ado, let's go ahead and start with Supabase. Supabase is built for developers. It's an open source Firebase alternative with real-time PostgreSQL, authentication, storage, and powerful APIs. If you are building scalable apps or need full backend control, Supabase gives you superpowers. Now let's go ahead to Airtable. Airtable is all about simplicity. Now let's go ahead to see the web page and think of it as a spreadsheet on steroids. It's perfect for teams, content planning, and lightweight CRMs, and also no code workflows. It's fast to set up, visually friendly as you can see, and integrates well with tools like Zapier and Notion. So now, which one you are going to choose? If you want power and flexibility, Supabase wins. And if you want simplicity and speed, Airtables is your go-to. They are different apps with different purposes. Choose based on what you're building. As always, thank you for watching.